tasty Matar Kebabs with just a scan in Wi-Fi-enabled LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select Matar Kebabs from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. First, mix the boiled peas, green chillies and elaichi seeds together to a fine paste and grind them. Now mix the makhanas and cashew nuts together to a rough powder and grind them as well. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app and press start. The preheat process begins. In the meantime, add makhanas paste in the peas paste. Add salt, pepper and garam masala and mix well. Grease a tawa with some oil. Make small balls and flatten them into small round kebabs. Keep the kebabs on the tawa. When the microwave oven beeps, keep the tawa on a high rack inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, turn over the kebabs. Then keep the tawa inside the microwave oven and press start. Your tasty Matar Kebabs made with LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven is ready. Eat heartily. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan to Cook microwave oven.